Hey everyone, are you ready to bring a little more calm, focus, and inspiration into your life? Whether you're a DIY enthusiast working on your next project, a design lover dreaming of your perfect space, or a professional designer searching for your creative flow, I've got something exciting to share. Introducing Des Music and Video Labs, your new go-to channel for relaxing, inspiring music that's perfect for creating, focusing, and unwinding. If you've been enjoying the music in my design videos on Des Design Labs, you're going to love this new channel. Now, let's talk about how music can make everything better. Think about those moments when you're rearranging furniture, painting your walls, or crafting something unique for your home. The right soundtrack can keep you motivated and help you enjoy the process even more. But it's not just about DIY projects. Maybe you're sketching new ideas, organizing your space, or even just daydreaming about your next big design. Music helps set the tone and keeps the creativity flowing. And for those times when you're not creating, it's perfect for relaxing on the couch, meditating, or even falling asleep after a long day. This channel isn't just for designers. It's for anyone who wants to add a little peace and inspiration to their day. Imagine listening to gentle rain sounds while catching up on emails, or ocean waves in the background while you journal. For all my DIYers out there, music can keep you in the zone while sanding, painting, or assembling your latest project. And for the design enthusiasts, it's a great way to immerse yourself in the mood of your space and spark new ideas. Even if you're just looking for something calming to play while you cook dinner or read your favorite book, DES Music and Video Labs has you covered. So, what can you expect on DES Music and Video Labs? Calming rain sounds for focus and relaxation, soothing ocean waves for a peaceful escape, gentle brown noise to block out distractions and help you concentrate, and uplifting instrumental tracks to keep you inspired while you create. Music has always been a huge part of my creative process. Whether I'm sketching new ideas, picking out colors, or even just scrolling through design inspiration, the right music helps me stay focused and inspired. With Des Music and Video Labs, I've created a place where you can find the perfect soundtracks for every moment, whether you're working, creating, or just taking a break. I can't wait to hear how you use these tracks in your life. Maybe they'll help you finish your next DIY masterpiece, spark a new design idea, or simply bring a little calm to your day. So, are you ready to dive in? Check out Des Music and Video Labs by clicking the link in the description or the pop-up card on your screen. I've got playlists ready for you, with new content coming in the new year, and I'd love to hear from you. What kind of music inspires you? What's your go-to sound for relaxing or focusing? Let me know in the comments if you're enjoying the vibe. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the channel with your friends, family, and anyone who could use a little more peace and inspiration in their life. Whether you're designing, DIYing, working, or just relaxing, DES Music and Video Labs is here to help you set the mood and find your flow. Thank you so much for your support on DES Design Labs. And now on this exciting new journey with DES Music and Video Labs. Let's create, relax, and dream big. Together, I'll see you there.